Hi, this is Sai Morton with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the forexbsummit.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit forexbsummit.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, as usual, let's take a look in the gold market. So gold behaves rather well. It keeps the bullish sentiment that we have discussed in the weekly researches. Also on the daily chart, we said that bullish grabber has been formed even in last week. And while market will keep these lows, the chances on the upward breakout, upward continuation still exist. It's also stands in relation to some patterns that we have on intraday charts. But right now, as you can see, market is standing high. It completes our better to say, it has completed our yesterday's trading plan perfectly, because if we'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, you could see our ABCD target has been hit. We said that we will go step by step. Let's focus first on the nearest target. This could become the Gartler's GPL to sell. It's OP around 1353, so it has been hit. Minor retracement right now stands underway. Next target stands at the 1364. This target, as you can see, slightly lower than this top, but at the same time on the daily chart we have the major target, major XOP of this ABC bottom XOP, so 1368, and it stands above this top and above that top. This target is more important than the target that's on the 4-hour time frame chart. That's why if market will move back to the 1365 tops, it will gravitate to this level. Besides, lots of stops have been placed above this area, because as you can see on the first spike here on an escalation in this area, market has not quite reached the previous stops. That's why the stops have been placed here have survived. But in this case, when the market will hit this XOP, these stops will be triggered, and market even by just automatically could continue move higher just due to the trigger of the stops, because this is buying stops, guys. As soon as this will be hit, new buy trades will be executed, and that will push the gold market higher. But still, this is really long road till the 1368. Right now, we should understand what we should do in this area. Well, currently, guys, I do not see any reasons to speak about the bearish setup. Bearish scenario, yes, we have Gartler's GPL to sell, but it doesn't mean that the market should reverse totally. Usually, Gartler's GPL to sell could trigger just moderate retracement. The 3/8 support is the minimum target of the Gartler's GPL to sell. So it not always indicates reversal. In most cases, it indicates just retracement. The same as the butterfly. The percents when the butterfly triggers the major reversal stands maybe 20%, 25%. But most cases, the butterfly triggers just a retracement. The same with the Gartler's GPL to sell. Also we have some other bullish signs here, guys, because take a look and see this definite acceleration right to the OP target. It's really fast acceleration. This is good sign for the further upward perspective. Still, by taking in the situation on the hourly chart, it seems that retracement should be a bit deeper before market will proceed higher. But let's first start from this part of the chart. Here is where important moments exist. So you can see market was standing in the ABCD down, hits the OP in agreement. This was the major FIB support. Starts move up. So here was a retracement reaction on the OP target. This was important for us. If you remember, this was the major importance of this retracement, because on the depth it will depend on the further direction. And we would like to get the retracement that will be above this OP target. That will confirm the bullish ambitions. So that has happened. Yesterday, you probably remember what we have talked about. So keep an eye on the retracement here. We haven't got them. Gartler's GPL 2, this was just the one leg retracement. But anyway, as you can see, market has jumped up and completed our first destination point, 1353. What is more important here, guys, as you can see with this spike, market has erased the C point of this ABCD pattern. So that ABCD pattern is not valid anymore. Right now, market stands on the agreement resistance. Here's also the minor butterfly has been completed, as you can see. And now market stands in a retracement. So taking into consideration the strength of the retracement and the target has been completed is important. I would suggest here some deeper retracement, somewhere to the 1347. Here we could get minor A, B, C, D, XOP targets, mostly has been completed already, as you can see. And possible ABCD retracement right to the 1347 confidence support. Here, guys, theoretically, it's also, as you can see, previous consolidation, previous lows was here, support breakout. This market has resistance breakout. Now this will be again support. This could be the support area where later upper direction could be reestablished. So approximately this kind of action could happen in today's session.